Okay, let's go over a couple things when you are looking at your grade book. First, you're going to see one thing in assessments and projects crossed out. That's your lowest grade. If your lowest grade is a 90 out of 100, you are doing something right, so congratulations. Every time you see one of these waffles here, you can click on it, you can open the rubric and find out exactly what you lost points on. Okay, this indicates your submission, so you could click on that and see what you submitted. All right. And again, here in homework and classwork, you're also going to see one grade crossed out. You can check for rubrics. So this is an outstanding example. Let's look at another one. Okay, here's another one. Still have a grade that's crossed out. Okay. And also here you can see notifications of incomplete, please do. This one, which has a submission here, no longer says incomplete, but the rest of the message remains. Okay, that indicates that assignment was completed after the due date. Okay, so it's very important to look on the right side and see the comments about an assignment, if it's something you need to do or something you don't need to do. Okay, so let's look at another example. Okay, here you can clearly still see something crossed out in each category, incompletes, things that are graded. You may also see this, absent. That means this was a synchronous. See how it's indicated? It was a synchronous participation grade, and that means you do not have to complete it if it has that absent note on the side. So this note column is going to be vital for you to read. Let's look at another example. Okay, here you can see again, notes are important on the right side. And this is an optional assignment, so sometimes that is indicated, meaning it is not necessary for you to complete that assignment. So this student is in good shape. Let's look at one last example. Okay, again, this right column is where you want to be focusing. Look at this, incomplete, got to do this, incomplete. Didn't do this. This grade form, when you don't do it, it doesn't count against you. However, you also don't get those free points added in. So decide what you want. But look, there's a lot of absences, okay, and a lot of incomplete. So this is a lot to catch up on. When you do this assignment, okay, that's incomplete, you must fill out a late form or this message stays as it is. Okay, so you have to fill out a late form in order for us to adjust this message. Okay, so get those incompletes done. Check it. We kind of had to modify it a little bit based on how grading is going to be calculated at the change of the marking period. So make sure that you are looking at all of the comments on the right side.